Hello guys, let me see the overall of the shoes. The shoes color is gray, black, and the shoe sole is red. Look, there have the logo, and the shoelace have logo too. Look, the shoelace have white, red, and black. Look there. And the shoe back. Look. Look at the details. The details is all the best quality. If you want to know more, you can contact me every